Hey guys, welcome to CGFamily. In this tutorial, we are going to teach you how to set up project. So, first of all, go to File, Project window, make a new project and then select where you want to save it. Now, for example, I want to save in this project. So this project 1, it's going to create a new folder in project 1. That's going to be the project folder's name. Let's say test_project. That's going to be the folder name. These are all the folders that are gonna get created, and then just hit it. To check if you were successful, just press on the open button and it's gonna lead you straight towards the directory of it. If it's in the test project scenes, then you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching this quick how-to video on how to make a project in Maya. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Or if you want to see more quick tips and tricks or want to learn other 3D softwares, then hit the subscribe button and keep watching. I'll see you in the next video.